Yes, I speak to the nature and she speaks back to me. So I ask Mother Earth, why's the world so corrupt today? Well, she tells me, son, the people don't care about what they do. No reactions, no. I've been looking into the night sky, trying to figure out why this world's so strange. Help me through. Well, I've been looking for something to make my day better than it is, 'cause I'm sick of this way. Help me through. Just help me through. So why don't I feel any better? Everybody's so crazy. Oh, Mother Earth, what's so wrong with this world today? I just want to smile with everybody else, yeah. So just help me through these hard times. I just want to see everybody be happy like me. Oh, let's make it better for us, for us. I speak to the nature and she speaks back to me. So I asked Mother Earth, why's the people so fucked up today? Well, she told me some people don't even care about reactions anymore. No. So I said, help me through these hard times. I just want to smile my life away. Just help me through these hard